Hey there everybody on YouTube, Pinner and Patriot here again with a little interior video and running video for the eBay ad. The interior is just very, very clean, completely stock. It's had a dash cover on it its whole life. Underneath the dash cover is just a beautiful dash. Absolutely zero cracks, zero fading. Cruise control. Hurst 5-speed shift knob. No check engine light. That's what it sounds like coming out of these smokestacks here. It's relatively quiet. You can't hear it at all going down the freeway at 75 miles an hour. Very nice and comfortable with the windows up. Talk to your lady. Have the air conditioning on. Runs absolutely perfect, shifts perfect. The clutch grabs perfectly. The truck is 100% turnkey, drive anywhere you need without thinking twice about it. It's never been abused. Doesn't have any heating issues. Stays at 185 degrees Fahrenheit all day long. Gets about 17, 18 miles to the gallon. And with these pretty tall tires in the rear and the 5-speed, the overdrive, it goes about 65 miles an hour at about 1900 RPM. So it just glides down the freeway. Drives beautifully. Power steering, power brakes, front airbags for driver and passenger, and the paint just turned out very nice. I think in the camera it's showing that it looks metallic-y. It is not. It is just a straight up red. Just a nice bright red. The decals turned out really nice, along with the gold pinstriping. Well, there it is. So it's going on eBay. If you guys have any questions, feel free to write into the ad and I'll be happy to answer them, show you more pictures, videos.